Hello guys and welcome back to another video with THEBITBLOND, the craziest blonde in a word about crypto, perhaps in the universe. Before we get into any content, I would love to do my quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice. You must, as always, do your own market research. Do not forget to do your all right, and today I'm just going to comment my opinion on the current Bitcoin price and what could potentially happen. Now, though, it's Friday today, and sometimes we see weekend pumps, but however, I don't see as a scenario for this specific weekend. If you are trading Bitcoin, you should definitely consider that. However, on a long term talking, it's definitely one of the best assets to be holding these days. Even institutions and big governments are getting into. So yeah, you should definitely think when it comes to ownership. But let's go straight away into the BTC price, and we're currently sitting at 117.915. I hope you can hear and see everything on the screen. Let me know in the comments down below if you are attending Blockchain Live Forum 2025 here in Dubai, and if you want to have a crypto coffee with me, I would love to have a coffee with you. So DM and I can meet you inside the event. Going back to the Bitcoin price, we saw massive rejection on the previous resistance, touch. And I personally believe that we might dip a little bit more over this weekend around 115, 114, something like that, and create a potential new bottom where the previous support is. So, however, I do not think there is an interesting opportunity to long yet. Everything is a probability. This market, it's all about probability. However, it's something to consider that today is Friday and you never know. Sometimes we're very correlated to US markets, sometimes we're not, sometimes we bump over the weekend, sometimes we don't. But I want to drive you through CoinMarketCap and show you how you can find the most trending coins at the moment, so you can potentially trade when nothing is happening with BTC. So before you go to the trending coins, ask yourself this question: can I afford to lose? And can I actually trade the most trading coins, and why should I trade it? So if you can afford to risk, if you have a little bit more capital, and if you are interested on doing something when Bitcoin is not moving much, you can go to CoinMarketCap. Let me show you how it actually works. This is the main page of CoinMarketCap. And right here, you just press the trending coins. You can choose the time and you can find a great opportunity to trade based on that, or even to hold on the long term. But however, today the fear and greedy index is kind of turning into the greedy momentum at 59. And yes, that's how you actually find trending coins to trade when nothing is happening. And sometimes you don't have to catch all opportunities. As I always say, you have to find one thing that works for you. Some people just trade BTC, some people just trade Ethereum, some people have more capital and more opportunity and more flexibility to be trading different coins. We have a lot of opportunities. So make sure to find one or two things that work for you, stick to it, and just make a bag on top of it. Be very passionate, and that's how it works. So you come to CoinMarketCap, you press trending coins, and we go straight away into this page over here where we have the most trending cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. You can even check gains and losers, trending, most visited, and recently added, so on. But anyways, the most trending today is public, and on a 7-day graph is actually interesting buying zone because it's down 56.03%. And not financial advice, but me personally, I like to buy really deep dips and really tops to sell. So this one would be an interesting opportunity to trade, to long, according to the weekly time frame that is really low. And example number 2, we have MDT, measurable data token. I'm not talking on a holding side at the moment. This is just on a trading side. And on a 7-day, it's up 23%. So all you have to do is just click, go to trading view, choose your exchange, and start trading. That's how you trend the most tradable coins, and do something when Bitcoin and Ethereum doesn't move that much. You also have other opportunities. We also have on a third place today hyper liquidity, and is up 15% on the 7-day graph. And wow, this one LALU, it's up 147.82%. In a fourth place today on the most tradable coins on the market. Now, I'm not talking on a long term, but this is around zero point 0.1 cent. So it could potentially keep to go up, but in the same time, you can, short on a 15-minute time frame to the 1 hour time frame if you can afford to lose. Okay, those tokens make a lot of profit, but you need to know that if you also trade those tokens, you need to be very, very open to failing sometimes, and you need to just play on your capital. I would definitely just be, doubling and going back to the long term. Double, go back to the long term, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the very strong use cases, altcoins. However, I just wanted to show you today how you can use the most tradable coins to be trading sometimes when the weekend, sometimes when nothing is happening on the market. Like, they tend to move a little bit better when Bitcoin and Ethereum doesn't move much. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about these opportunities, and how is your financial life going, girl? Yeah, jokes aside, guys, I'll see you at Blockchain Live Forum Dubai 2025. Links down below. And yes, let's just watch what Bitcoin has to do this weekend. And do not forget to join the Telegram. I'll see you soon. Take care. Thank you so much.